Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, pair or plug in your earphones to your computer before starting Teams. Use Windows settings and choose Bluetooth and devices to pair Bluetooth earphones quickly. For wired or USB earphones, plug into the port and let Windows install drivers automatically. Next, open Sound Settings and set the earphones as default communications device for calls. Then launch Microsoft Teams and go to Settings, Devices to confirm the earphones appear. Selecting them here ensures input and output use your earphones for meetings and calls. Open Microsoft Teams and click your profile, then Settings, then Devices to configure audio. Choose your earphones for both speaker and microphone to avoid mismatched devices during meetings. Use the microphone slider to set input level while watching the meters move for optimal gain. Use the speaker slider and press Test Call to hear playback through your earphones. For voice clarity, select Noise Suppression Low when music or close voices are important. This setting prevents over-aggressive reduction and preserves natural sound for participants. Always run a test call in Teams before joining important meetings to verify audio. The test call plays and records a short sample and then plays back through your earphones. If you hear nothing, check Windows sound settings to confirm device is default and a communications device. Restart Teams and try switching USB ports for wired earphones to resolve connection issues. Update Bluetooth or USB audio drivers when intermittent problems persist and reinstall drivers if necessary. These steps reduce accidental mute, echo, or low volume during live calls and meetings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.